Hey there! Hope everyone is doing well. And for the new people who are on the channel, I'm Rashmi, and behind the camera is Vishal. Say hi, Vishal.
Hello everyone.
And we do reviews, food videos, and basically everything that interests us. And today, I actually came across this. A subscription service, not exactly, but a sample distribution service called the Mojo Box. And once I logged in, they ask you like a bunch of details about you know, your age, your family, your educational background, your income, and all that sort of stuff. And they give you options of different sample boxes that you are eligible for. And when I went ahead and logged into my account in Mojo Box, I was eligible for 4 different boxes. So usually these boxes are like pretty cheap, like $70 or something. So it's basically the the postage and shipping that we are paying for. And so I have all the 4 boxes with me, as you can see here. And whoa, I just dropped them. Anyway, let's just go ahead and open up the boxes and see what things are there in them. So from what I remember, the 4 boxes that I ordered were a sample box B, sample box C, a try, eat, and all the edible samples, and then one is love yourself sample box. So I think first we're gonna go with the try, eat, and love sample box, aren't we, Vishal? So as you can see, they have a packet of puchka on top of it, so that's taped to the box. The box came like this, and like it had a cover on top of it, and then this is the packaging. So let's just remove the puchka from it. So this is by a company called ShareEat, and these are the whole wheat pani puri water balls. That's funny. So anyway, these are ready to fry pani puri, and it comes with an imli pani maker inside it. So I think we'll be giving this a try soon, and I'll let you know how it turns out on Instagram. Do follow us on Instagram down below. And opening the box. Ooh, what is there? There are quite a bit of stuff in this. Okay, don't get me wrong, it's pretty humid over here, and I've switched off the fan so that the sound is a little more clear. So I'm a little sweaty, so we can bear with that anyway. And let me go through the contents of this box one by one. First, we have this tikka, so tandoori sizzling mix or whatever. So we can just, put this on different grilled stuff, if I'm not wrong. So that is what it is. I think Vishal will be expecting paneer tikka to be made out of this.
Sure.
So that is one thing. Oh, Vishal, we have chocolates. So we have 2 different dairy milks. One is chili orange and other is gulab-e-khas. So I think this is that Madbury contest that we had for a few months back, I think. And these are the 2 probably winning chocolate bars, and we have the 2. So this is definitely, I love this combination of orange, chocolate, and chili. I like this, but I'm not really sure about rose and chocolate. I've never tried it, so I'm looking forward to trying this. Then we have a couple of Wow Life Science products. So this one is the immunity booster capsules. There are how many? Let's see. Oh, there are 4 capsules in them, and I don't know, we'll give it a try. We'll see if it works out for us, and let's see how it goes. And oh, Vishal, a product that you like. So we have peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter. And yeah, so this is something Vishal definitely likes and enjoys. I think Vishal, and Pintola is a brand that you have already tried before, haven't you? Yeah, so Pintola peanut butter is something that he has already tried. Now I think we buy Desano or something like that. But yeah, I think chocolate peanut butter is something that definitely we can give it a try. Next, we have something for all the coffee addicts. So this is instant filter coffee, if you can see, by ID. There are 5 different packs in it. Let me just open it. I think there'll be sachets only, right? Oh yeah, they are sachets. They are combined together. Okay. Oh, nice. So there are like sachets like this, 5 of them, and I'm looking forward to giving it a try. But I mean, at home we do drink a little bit of instant coffee, but we do drink filter coffee as well. So I think this will be a nice option when given a chance, when we don't have the time to make the decoction and everything. Yeah, it's an 80-20 mix, which is 80% coffee and 20% chicory, which is normally the blend. Actually we go for 90-10 also. Sometimes we don't really prefer chicory in our coffee, a little bit so that the flavor is a little more distinguished. But yeah, this 80-20 mix is definitely a go that I'm willing to give. And the next Wow Life Science product is the apple cider vinegar. I think Vishal will be more than happy to use this. He is the one who likes apple cider vinegar at our home, so he drinks it sometimes, and then he has many uses for it too, like hair and everything. And the last product in this box is a Trisbix pizza flavored crackers, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, there are 3 layered crackers and they are in pizza flavor. So this is definitely a flavor that I like. I think I'm just gonna, have this with coffee or tea. Like, yeah, this will be a nice thing, right, Vishal? We can have coffee and then crackers. I think this is a good snack box actually. So yeah, I like this box already. So we're done with the first box. Let me just pick out another box. Vishal, which one do I go for? This one? Okay. So Vishal has chosen this box. Now let's see which one is this. Oh, this is one of the trial B or C packs, and as you can see, it's filled with goodies. So we have a millet apple pancake mix by Timios. It looks pretty nice. I think this will be pretty good for 2 breakfasts actually. It makes 8 to 10 pancakes, which is a good quantity, and it has jaggery rather than sugar. So that's good. And then we have a product by Wakefield. I have tried, I use baking products by Wakefield, like, baking soda and baking powder and cocoa powder sometimes and stuff like that. I haven't tried their pasta though. This is an instant pasta and tomato salsa flavor, if you can see that. So there are 3 more flavors: cheesy mac, creamy mushroom and masala twist. So yeah, this is a good product from what I can tell. Instant pasta is not definitely something that we take on a regular basis. I make pasta at home. I make the mac and cheese, I make Alfredo, I make red sauce pasta, sometimes I make pink sauce pasta. We're just mixing them both up. So yeah, this is something that is not very often that we eat. And next we have Ujala Crisp and Shine. So this, Char Bundo Wala, I don't know how many people remember that. So this is from the same company. And I actually am a user of this product, so I use this on my cotton kurtis and cotton tops, and it doesn't give you that stiff, but it gives you like a good shape in the clothing. So this is a product that I've already used and I already have, so this is an additional thing that I know will be used in my household. And of course we have Malkist. Vishal loves these things like anything, don't you, Vishal?
Yeah.
So these are one of favorite Vishal's cookies, so we have one pack for him. And then we have a very, very squished Choco Bakes. This is pretty squished. I think it's because of the, the transport or whatever this had come. So it came pretty flat. I'm pretty sure it's still edible, but let's see. Oh, and this is a new addition. So there is this mint lozenge from Center Fresh that has been included in this. I think it's new, has been introduced newly. Oh, there are a few of them. There are 5 of them over here. I'm not sure if it's visible, but so this is how it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be very minty. Let me just give it a try. Oh, it's hard to open. Okay, Vishal will be opening it off camera for me, and once he's done, we'll take it. So yeah, there's mints, and then finally, Vishal, I have one more. So I got a sheet mask from Kaya. So these are one of my favorite sheet masks. I absolutely love the Kaya brand, and this will definitely be put into use by me, that's for sure. So we are done with the second box as well, which is pretty nice. Oh, thank you. Vishal opened one for me. Do you want one too? Vishal says no. Ooh, minty. Now, which one to go for? This one? So, we have the next box. Yeah, this is the self-care box, I'm very sure. So, this is the I Love Myself, I Love Me box. And this also has the mints. I can see that already. So the same mints, let me just put those aside. So I have 5 mints here also. I think Vishal, we have enough mints for the month. Now this is something new. Okay, so Cadbury Fuse Fit Bar with almonds and peanuts. So yeah, I think if this is good and if it has less calories and it's not very sugar intensive, this is definitely something I would like to include in my snacking routine once in a while. And we have another bottle of apple cider vinegar. So we have 2 bottles of apple cider vinegar now. And then yeah, this is a product I promote always. So this is definitely sunscreen, and sunscreen is something that you never have to miss. It's an essential in everybody's life. That's all I say. Not even a beauty routine, because sunscreen, no matter what you do, you need to have handy. Now, this is a full-size product now. So this is a intimate wash by Mamaearth. I think previously I've used V-Wash and stuff like that. So this is nice. It's mostly natural and has like good ingredients and all that. So that's a good addition. Thank you, Mojo Box. I like this. And oh, something that has become very, very popular since COVID, I think. So increasing immunity, having multivitamins and stuff like that. So we have a Fast and Upcome multivitamin. What is this? I don't know. It's like a fizzy tablet, effervescent tablet. So let's see how it is. Okay, this thing opens. How many are there? Oh, there's one. Yeah, so there's one tablet which we can just add into a glass of water, and once it's all fizzed up and dissolved, we can just chug it. So that is what it does. And then we have a face mask, not the sheet face mask, but an actual corona face mask. And this is by Godrej. It's a reusable face mask, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be a good one. Let me just open it right away. Ooh, it's white. Looks very nice. It's very pretty also. I'm not gonna wear it right now because I'm wearing lipstick. I don't wanna dirty the inside of the mask, but it's of a really good quality. Vishal, feel this? It's actually very good. I think Vishal's gonna take that. So Vishal has this thing wherein he looks for the softest of the soft face mask, because he has a beard and the beard has to fit into the face mask and everything, and he has to have adjustable ear loops, and this has adjustable ear loops. So that's a good thing. And now we are down to our last box. So this is the last box that we have left. Oh, we have 2 more Choco Bakes. So that's good. And these aren't squished. So yeah, we have 2 more Choco Bakes which are not squished. So we have 3 Choco Bakes overall. Yeah, quite a few chocolate goodies in this, right? Vishal, they're taking care of you more than they're taking care of me. So Vishal uses the shampoo by Wow, and they have given 2 free samples of that. So this is, one is I think onion, and one is the one Vishal uses right now, which is ACV. And so apple cider vinegar shampoo. So I think Vishal, this goes out to you. And oh, they're taking care of me also. So we have a Dove moisturizer here, as you can see. It's a pretty nice one, lightweight moisturizer, all season for normal skin. I mean, for me, only face is oily, so I have a normal skin all throughout. So I think I'll be using this. This will be going in my overnight bag that I usually carry, and that's good. Oh, we have another health bar. So this is by Teamios as well. Teamios, we had a pancake mix from Teamios. So this is made with dates, oats and nuts, and no added sugars, no junk, on the go snack. Looks nice. So I like this. It's a good size bar also. The other one was like the Cadbury one was pretty tiny. This one's actually pretty good size. We have another Malkist. So that's a good one. But both of them are cheese flavored. So I mean, we could have gotten another. Vishal? Oh, nice. More mints. We have enough mints for now. So It's a good thing all the boxes, I think every box except for one had mints, right?
First one did have remaining.
Yeah, so we had like out of 4, 3 boxes have the mints. So 5 mints in this as well. So yeah, we have enough mints for this month because we don't usually eat a whole lot of mints. We just have it once in a while where we feel like, you know, having that refreshing whatever. But yeah, the products were pretty good. I mean, definitely feel that you can just give it a try, and at like 70 bucks or 69 bucks a box, and then the bigger box sometimes are like 130 rupees or something, which is not bad. You can always give them a try, see if the sample, you can actually see the samples before you purchase. So they will give you like, let's say 2 wow products, or they may not specifically mention which product you're getting, but they may mention which range you're getting it from. So I'll leave the link to Mojobox website down below so that you can just give it a try if you want. And do like, share and subscribe, and hope you leave comments down below and let me know what sort of content you want me to make, and then see you all in the next one. Bye bye.